First, let me hop out the motherfucker Porsche. I don't wanna hit that long shit like a horse. I be ballin' on this.
Good morning. It's almost afternoon. Me and Shami going on the road. She need to collect her uniform them. Yeah, y'all know this is Jamaica. This not run like America where you can just wear anything. Like at the public schools, students have to wear their uniforms, you know. Yeah, that's what we're about to go do. Plus I did tell her in the last vlog I needed to go on the road, so I'm going to just do everything I need to do today, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we're walking now. Just leave Shami school, walking to half a tree because it's not far. Shami there, cars driving past, and I feel so awkward because I know a bunch of people gonna be looking at me like, what this girl doing with a camera? But I am bold today. I feel bold. I've been no business for nobody. But yeah, so I'm going to get the stuff that I needed to get now. And a lot of breeze blowing, but better this way. And so after this, we're just going back down. But we're going to spend a while out here, so yeah. I say one piece of something I'm in school I'm going to see. Woman talk about she can't find no uniform with her lazy self. We almost leave the school, and then they were like, call him back. And Shami found exactly what we found exactly what we went for. You can't believe that? So anyways, we got through with that, the whole of them, like every single thing. She's just lazy. But anyways, on our way now. We're running out of bread though. Yes. Power walk. It's not even that intense. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Lies. Stop this. Stop this madness. No. I'm just like here chilling like a village. Okay. Alright, so let's go back. Anyways. So we're still walking. I think I wanna buy a muffin. Shall we come on this side? What do you mean? What? Oh yeah, free. Why them can't? You know, that is something when I like. This place was a space of why isn't this space rented? I wonder if it's like overly priced and comes all the way back to here. It would be perfect. It's not like it's feeling. Let me see. Put it in the back there. Oh, I'm gonna put it in the back. It's not my toes. Alright, what is it? But yeah, I just need to get back that for mommy because she will flip on me if I don't. Alright, basically do everything we need to do so far. Last stop for the afternoon. I'm going to pick up a last item for my kit because I have a number of jobs coming up, so I'm getting my kit ready for that. So that's basically what I'm doing. Shami miserable just through the way make you cross the road a while ago should be. Alright. She's on the corner, yeah. I don't like class it, you know? The madman. Technology, they have a thing where you can smell. Yeah! Lord, guys, if you couldn't smell the corner, then right now, y'all would probably click off the vlog. No, man, a beer madman, like, always pass there, so. Bruh, why is his pants full? I'm done. But yeah. Go and buy a patty.
No, I don't want a patty.
You don't want a patty? Alright, I buy one for mommy. On our way back home. Family over working with our big old school bag. She get her uniform, so she good. So I am back home and I am tired. so tired. I want to sleep because I woke up early this morning, but I have a video to edit. Before I left out this morning, I did record a video, our updated review on my Mayvenn hair that I was telling you guys about, so you guys will be able to see that on my main channel. Yeah, because I get a lot of questions on this here, and I just need to let you guys know what it's all about. And the good thing is that you can order it from my customized site of Mayvenn. So yeah, all of that information will be down in the description box. But basically what I'm gonna do is still I have to sanitize my kit, you know, take out everything, put in back everything. And if y'all know how my kit look, y'all know that I have a big kit. So and I have to wash my brushes them too, like holy power. And then I have a video for go publish now too. Oh yeah, for my Wednesday tutorial. Yeah, I'm gonna publish a video. Is a nighttime look. It named Midnight Romance. So I'm gonna do that too and such. But I have to thank you guys for the support. You know, sometimes I look for my channel and I say, yo, my vlog channel, and I say, John, I start the channel like what, a month and a half ago or so, or maybe almost 2 months. And you know, some people take a long time before them can get to 400 odd subscribers, nearly 500. Like I'm thankful, you know. I'm appreciative of the support of that you guys giving me over here. Yeah. But feel like I'm gonna take a nap now. Still I'm gonna know. I'm gonna wash off my face. I'll check back with you guys later or tomorrow. I'm gonna know. See you guys in the next clip. Evening guys, it's evening now and I'm here waiting on my driver to come and get me. I'm going to do a client and I know I'm looking so nerdified but I just felt like wearing these today. I don't know, I just felt like wearing them. I have a number of nerd glasses and I just don't wear them that much, so I just decided to wear them. So I think this is him. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys in a bit. I'm on my way now. So I'm gonna do that and I'm going to head back home afterwards and edit. Alright guys, so I just finished with my beautiful client Roxanne. She looks so much like a doll. And I'm gonna head back home now. The lighting is bad as usual, so I'm gonna insert pictures so you guys see what it looks like. So yeah. Good afternoon. So come down. But we're heading. I forgot a couple of stuff again that I needed for my kit that were like super important. So Shami following me to go get that. So you will make me choke. But I don't care. But yeah, so I'm holding it already, nigga. So we're going to do that. And then I'll check back in with you guys.
Look how you look good. No, look how her camera looks so. But you look good. Never cut in me. Well, let's suck in my face first.
Oh Jesus Christ, guys! Alright guys, I'm here at Terry Cosmetics. Alright, this is where I get a lot of makeup at times. Like, you know, like when I don't order stuff online, I come here because she always have the good stuff. And this is her. A lot of you guys probably
know now look at her skin. She is like flawlessly beautiful. This is not fair. When she walked in, I was like, you have on makeup? And she's like, no. So come on, you gotta take care of your skin. Terry's Cosmetics for all your makeup needs.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, guys, check her out. Alright guys, so a little bit of vlog in. Where we're going now, Shami? Oh, we're going to buy some more stuff. We met up with we met up with mommy. They're there and Shami there. So we're going to like go and get some more stuff now. So yeah, Shami, I got one question for you.
It's still not because she doesn't.
What are those?
Everybody knows that champion.
Mommy.
Some of them know she champion.
Mommy.
What
Mommy.
are those?
Mommy.
What are
Mommy. What are those? What are
What do you mean? Like,
those?
what you mean?
Mommy don't understand all these new times of what are those?
Yes, dear. Mommy.
Nah, you see, because the joke is on them, they're like crickets, crickets. Nah, everybody know what these are. These are Clocks originals. Like, what? You don't say what are those with Clocks originals. So it's Saturday today, and I'm here waiting on my driver once again. I'm going to a wedding. Well, I'm not going to a wedding, but I'm about to do a little bridal party. So I'm waiting on him. My sister coming along with me too, because I need her for the day. But you guys see, I've been wearing like my own skin from the other day. Even though I have them spots in, I just can't bother for doing no makeup right now. I did my brows though, but I didn't fill them in. Ha. I'm doing the little reverse. I'm doing this reversed method I learned from the other day. I learned it when I was in training. So yeah, I've just been doing that because I have been like feeling more of that natural brow look. So I don't want to fill it in or anything. So yeah. Just finished with my beautiful bride. Yes, she is so beautiful. Thank you. So yeah, I did her and the bridesmaid. So we're waiting for her to get dressed.
Everything was crocheted. Okay. I'm not too close.
No.
Everything was crocheted and it was made by her.
Pause. You're pausing, don't worry. This is gonna be a task. Okay. Yes.
So you guys, this is the dress. It's beautiful. And guys, remember I have a full episode of Makeover Mondays on this wedding. Beautiful, beautiful.
If there's a question of my heart, you've got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. If there's a question of my love, you've got it. Baby, don't worry, I've got plans.
So this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. Well, this vlog, not only today's, because it's a compilation, as you guys know. I think I'm gonna be doing it like this now, give you vlogs on a Tuesday and on a Saturday instead of like Thursday, because I feel like it's just better that way. I don't know. Let me know. So yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog.